Hi, I'm Debra Johnston. Welcome to 3585 Tanner's Mill Circle in Gainesville, Georgia. This is a spectacular, rare property on 446 acres in Gainesville, Georgia. It starts at the main gate, and you drive down this beautiful winding driveway to the main house. And all around the main house, there is a winding river with waterfalls, as well as a lake that is just spectacular. Another great feature of the Tanner's Mill property is this car barn. It's over 40,000 square feet and can handle up to 70 parked cars. It's got a whole entertainment area up above and viewing area, and it was originally designed as an equestrian riding center and could very easily be converted back.